Pair of bass blockers. Used for removing bass from speakers to prevent damage. Frequencies blocked. 4 ohms, 0 to 2.8 Hz. Filters out unwanted frequencies sent to the speakers. Passive crossover designed for 3.5 speakers. Top reviews from the United States. Used to protect new tweeters in our SUV. The speakers in our vehicle needed replacing. I bought these to protect the new tweeters. They were cheap and easy to just wire inline. Happy with them. Works great. Works perfect on my Fosgate 3.5- speakers. I kept blowing speakers when I got a new head unit and I didn't know why. I researched bass blockers and gave these a try. Worked like a charm, and I am still able to use my blown distorted speaker because it filters out the bass frequency and all I hear now I clear highs. Saved me money on buying new speakers.